Kenya's biggest stadium is almost ready. In this video, we take you behind the scenes of the Talanta Sports City Stadium as engineers and workers install the massive roofing canopy that will protect 60,000 fans during matches. Watch the giant steel structures being lifted into place and the roofing stills be fixed high above the pitch. And discover how the project team is ensuring world-class safety and quality standards ahead of AFCON 2027 deadline. You will see step-by-step canopy installation process, the materials and design of the new roof, how crane and welders work at 56 meters above ground. That is insane. When the roof and the entire stadium are expected to be completed. This is Kenya's most ambitious sports infrastructure project yet. Don't miss these exclusive updates from Talanta Stadium. Subscribe now for more construction progress videos and sports facilities update. Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium roofing canopy installation. This is Talanta Sports City Stadium roofing canopy installation. Do you know the stadium roof structure height is around 56 meters above the ground? Do you know the company that is constructing this canopy roofing in Talanta Sports City is China Road and Bridge Corporation CRBC with Defense Forces KDF supervising. Do you know canopy stands which will support outer roofing and fabrication at ground level before installation? As of mid-2025, the roofing beams had been installed. The stadium is 60,000 seat facility with a roof steel structure under construction. By December 2025, this stadium should be ready for AFCON 2027. You can see the machines are at work. They are lifting the steel structures to the top for the construction of canopy in this Talanta City Stadium. You can see the cranes. They are right there. You can see for yourself. The machines has to lift these steel structures very slow with a lot of care because these structures are heavy. You can see what they have done. You can see what they have already done. This is Talanta Sports City Stadium. I hope you watched my video about Hoima City Stadium in Uganda. I did a video about Hoima City Stadium in Uganda. Go and watch it because I'm going to give you an update about Hoima City Stadium soon. The last time I uploaded a video, it was everything they did was remaining only the installation of goalposts in the field and installation of canopy in the stadium. So they are ahead of Talanta Sports City Stadium. But this is what China has already done with the Talanta Sports City Stadium. You can see this is what they have done. Do you think by the end of December they will already have finished the construction of this stadium? Just tell me on the comment section. Do you think by the end of December 2025 this stadium will be ready? Because it has to be ready for AFCON 2027. The earlier the better. Challenges and risk encountered during the construction of Talanta Stadium. The large span and high roof 56 meters above the ground mean wind uplift and stability and loads are major concerns. Fabrication at ground level is good, but lifting large heavy modules to hide safety is complex. Ensuring water drainage and preventing leaks with curved and large canopies, flashy and joined, must be well detailed. The roofing work has to tie in with other works, city and area finishing, and services etc. So delays in steel structures affect downstream taxes. You can see what is happening from here on the top. You can see what is happening. You can see what China has already done. 56 meters above the ground. This is insane. Just imagine the canopy installation is above 56 meters above the ground. Let me take you through. You see at the top what is going on. You can see this construction of canopy. These are supporters, the wiring, the steel structures. You can see for yourself. You can see what they have done so far at Talanta Sports City Stadium. Just look, 56 meters above the ground. You can see how large the height of the cranes is. Very large. You can see. I saw somebody asking, what about you come here as a fan and you are drunk? What about you get from at the top and you eat to the bottom? I think they will install pillars that can protect fans from falling. Yes, everything has already been done. Everything. They are even looking the prevention measures of fans. They cannot live with such kind of risk. You can see what they have done. You can see what they have done. I think they have tried to finish with the outside and the canopy. Then they deal with the carpet of the stadium. This is only for football and rugby. Oima City Stadium, there will be athletics, volleyball, basket. Talanta Sports City is only for football, rugby, only those. Let's give them credit, because I think by 2025 December they should be ready. This stadium should be ready. What do you think? Do you think they will be done by December 2025? Leave your comment down there whether these will be completed by December 2025. It looks very slow, but it's better slow but sure. The risk of these machines, the risk of the height, it needs slow movement and careful handling of the steel structures and cranes, everything. The wiring, you can see. In summary, Talanta Sports City Stadium construction is done by China Road and Bridge Corporation. The height of the installation of this canopy in Talanta Sports City Stadium is 56 meters above the ground. KDF are the ones supervising the construction of this Talanta Sports City Stadium. By December 2025, this stadium should be ready for AFCON 2027. If you have enjoyed this video to this far, like the video so that many people can see the video. Comment, share the video to 1 or 2 friends. Subscribe for more videos and updates about stadiums, sports, celebrities, and untold stories of known people and famous people. Thank you for watching.